Hey guys, my name is Misha and I'm just here to show you guys how I achieved this wash and go look. So if you want to know how I did it, please keep watching, and if you like it, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if these products and or this process worked for you or not. Thanks for watching my video and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly showered hair, not necessarily washed, but I took a shower and that's why my hair is looking like that. So the product that I used first is shea butter, and I just put it all throughout my hair. Shea butter is really good, I love it. And then I used black castor oil to seal in some of that moisture. And then I'm just separating my hair into parts so that I can just easily go through and apply all the products I'm going to use. For the wash and go, parting your hair, or for me at least, is always really, really helpful, especially since my hair is thick and kinky. So what I do is for each section is I spray it with water, just because my hair had been sitting for a little bit, and then I'm going in with the Cantu curling cream. I love it. It's so good. It smells so good, and it's pretty thick. And so I think it does the job well in moisturizing. And now I'm just going in with the coconut oil eco styler. It's an eco styler that not many people use, or talk about at least, but I think it's the best one. I love it so much. Now I'm just going in with my Denman brush just to detangle my hair a little further, and then going in with my fingers, just spraying all the product through there, adding a little more eco styler, and then taking out individual strands and just curling them around my finger to help them curl up and clump together. So yeah, that's just basically the process, and I just do that all over my head. And then what I do is for the parts that I do first, I put it in a ponytail so that the hair can dry a little more stretched than usual, and also so to keep everything out the way. And now I'm just doing the exact same thing on the next part of my hair, just going with the coconut curling cream and then the eco styler, breaking that through, and then using the Denman brush to detangle everything, so that it's nice and tangled. The more detangled your hair is, the better it is, just for everyone involved. And then I'm just going in and twirling those pieces of hair around my finger just to get those individual curls. And yeah, I just do this all over my head, going each section by section. I usually split my hair into 4 sections, and then each section I split into 2. So it's a total of 8 sections, but yeah. And so that's just what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys watch this until the very end, when I show you up close how I twirl my fingers. So this is the last section of my hair. As you can see, the other 3 sections are in their ponytails, and yeah, I'm kind of tired by now, but so yeah, what I do is I just spritz everything with water, add in the coconut curling cream, the eco styler, and I'm just using my Denman brush. And as you can see, the Denman brush is really good. It helps clump those curls a little bit, and then I just go in with my fingers, twirling the sections around. So in the back I use kind of bigger sections, just because it's the back and no one's gonna really notice. But in the front I use way smaller sections, so as you can see, the sections are pretty small. And the smaller the sections are, the better, just because it'll be less hair, so it'll coil quicker, beautiful, more pretty, and it'll just be smoother. And then the eco styler is the main agent that helps smooth out those curls. And so if you ever feel the curls aren't really smoothing, just grab a little more eco. But yeah, I just put it in slow motion a little bit just so you can see the definition that comes about when you use way smaller sections and take your time. Yeah, so I just do that all throughout the rest of the section, just continuing to do that so that my hair looks uniform. And I'm gonna show you guys again close up and slow down what I do. It's pretty simple. Just take a little piece of hair, twirl it around my finger a couple times, smooth it all the way down to the ends, and just let it go. And then it curls right up. Yep, and I just do this forever and ever. It actually doesn't take that long. This whole process took me about 30 minutes. And as you'll see in a little bit, I'm gonna go back and like redo, not like redo, but just touch up the other front half, just because I want them to look uniform. And at this moment, my right side was looking way more defined than my left, as you can kind of see here. And then I'm just like going back in, not really adding more product because I already have the gel and stuff on there, but just like going in and like twirling those pieces of hair around just so it looks more defined and cuter, and a slowed up version again, just like going around and doing that, and my curls just like popping like that. So I don't do this every single time I do a wash and go, but whenever my hair is like drier, the more I seem to have to do this, because like my hair had been sitting for like 30 minutes before I did this, and my hair was pretty damp. But yeah, so, but when my hair is like soaking wet, I usually don't have to like twirl my curls. Usually they'll kind of just do it themselves. So maybe just like add a little more water if you don't want to do everything, but honestly I really just do it this like this specific and this like well like in the front where people will see it. And it's also a good trick if you do put your hair in a high puff, you could just like put it in the puff and then do this method, just so that the top of your head is like super defined and curly. But yeah, so this is pretty much all it takes. Like I said, it took around 30 minutes to do. So you could probably, you know, depending on how thick or how short or how long your hair is, it'll take you a little less or a little more time, but it's definitely something you could do like in the morning or whenever, you know, you don't have to, it is not going to take like 2 hours. But yeah, so this is basically the wash and go routine, and yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys go and you can watch the rest. Bye.